Well, hello everyone, and welcome on board the Westerdam. My name is Jacob. I'm going to be your port shopping ambassador here on board the entire 7 days you're cruising the luxurious Caribbean. My main focus is to give you the tips and insider information that you need to know to get the best bang for your buck this week. Now, I know most of us are going to be looking for diamonds, and when it comes to purchasing diamonds, we need to look at the 4 C's, and I'm going to help you understand each and every one of those C's. That way, you find the perfect stone for your budget. Now, one of the reasons that everyone buys their diamonds here in the Caribbean is the fact that there are literally thousands and thousands of diamonds here, creating the perfect opportunity for you to find the exact combination of characteristics that makes your stone yours. So with the information I give you, all you need to do is determine which of the 4 C's is most important to you and then maximize it. Whether you're solely shopping based on price, value, or it's your passion to find that perfect diamond of your dreams without breaking the bank. Now, the first C that we're going to discuss is cut, and this is the thing that everyone loves about diamonds. It's the sparkle. It's that natural fire and brilliance that we think of when we think of diamonds. Now, this comes from a master cutter making the perfect proportion and angles of the diamond's facets. That way, all of the light going through the top of the table refracts and then comes right back out the crown of the diamond, so we get those gorgeous sparkles and that vibrant shine. Now, if you're looking for a top of the line cut, I suggest each and every one of you look at either Hearts on Fire or the Crown of Light. Now, both of these amazing cuts are available at Diamonds International, which is going to be store number 2 on your port shopping map. Now, the second C that we're going to discuss is color. A diamond's color is one factor determining the rarity of the stone. Now, the term color actually refers to its lack of color. The scale ranges all the way from D to Z. Now, diamonds that are classified or graded as D, E, or F are completely colorless and quite rare. Now, when we move into G through J, they warm up a little bit, and everything K to Z are just different variations of white, but this is all very hard to see with the naked eye. Now, moving right along to our next C, clarity. Clarity simply measures a stone's purity. Now, inclusions, or let's think of them as birthmarks, gives the stone's personality. But the highest level are going to be the flawless stones, the ones that have absolutely no inclusions, no fingerprints, no birthmarks. And those are going to be on the grading scale as FL or IF, meaning flawless. Now, after that, you're going to have your VVS 1s and your VVS 2s, which means very, very slightly included 1 and 2. Down the line are going to be your slightly included stones, and those will be labeled as SI1, SI2, and SI3. Now, after your slightly included stones, you have your included stones, which are stones that have inclusions you can see with the naked eye, and they're labeled as I1, I2, and I3. Now, for the savvy shopper, I'm going to go ahead and say to stay away from the dark carbon spots that you would find in included 1 stones. Now, the final C of the 4 C's to diamond buying is carat. Carat refers to the weight measurement of a stone, not its actual size. 1 carat is equal to 1/5 of a gram, and each carat is divided into 100 points. So, if a diamond is 75 points, it's also 3/4 carat. Now, one thing you should know with diamonds is different cuts will show off different carat weights completely differently. So if you have 2 stones with the exact same carat weight, one will often appear a completely different size. Now, when it comes to the rarity of a stone, remember that approximately 85% of all diamonds discovered weigh less than 1 carat. So now that we've completely gone over the 4 C's of diamond buying, here are some cash-saving tips that will help you maximize your budget while shopping for diamonds in the magnificent islands of the Caribbean this week. 1. Stones are priced according to the rarity, and the rarity value jumps up in whole carat increments. So save big by buying stones with odd number carat points. For example, instead of buying a 2 carat, why don't you look at some carats that are maybe 1.91? You won't see that big of a difference in size, but your savings will be substantial. 2. For diamond jewelry that has more than 1 stone, it's most important the stones are well matched. So you should avoid stones that are larger or smaller than the next, or noticeably a different color or even clarity. This tip applies to all items: bracelets, earrings, rings, necklaces, anything that has multiple diamonds. Number three, unset stones are priced for wholesale, so you're going to find ultimate savings by selecting loose gemstones. These are also U.S. Customs exempt. Diamonds International is a store where you're going to find the biggest selection of loose gemstones in the world. So you can find that perfect stone for you, and they'll even send it for you that same day. Now, number four is the basic stud earring. Now, I like to call this a women's little black dress of the jewelry wardrobe. Now, when you're shopping for your stud earrings, shop for size and sparkle over any other characteristic. Size is the most noticeable feature of a stud, so choosing a round stone will help you as they appear larger due to the table of the stone. Now, if you're looking for that long distance sparkle, the only one you ever need to look at is going to be Crown of Light. 90 facets of absolute perfection. Folks, that's where you're going to get your most bang for your buck when it comes to sparkle, because that is a gorgeous diamond. Now, number five is an old tip, but it's still so relevant to today. Ladies, gentlemen, if you ever wear yellow gold, go ahead and choose a diamond in the color range K or below. Setting these particular shades of stones in yellow gold makes the diamond appear whiter, and you're going to save around $500 per carat. Number six, take full advantage of the selection of diamonds while you have the chance to embrace each and every one of their characteristics. For example, if you're going to be shopping in the clarity category included, go ahead and look at all of your options. A lot of those inclusions can be hidden by prongs and certain settings, which means you're going to save at least $600 per carat doing that. And then, of course, my final tip is going to be trust your instinct. Shopping for jewelry is personable. Don't get caught up in finding the best jewelry. Instead, shop for the jewelry that's right for you. The 4Cs are only some way to measure the grade of the diamond, and it kind of just helps you understand what you're buying. It's the emotional connection that makes your diamond priceless. So, buy what's right for you. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jacob. I'm going to be on board with you the entire 7 days. If you ever have any questions, be sure and come see me at my desk on deck 3 next to the Explorations Cafe. You can grab a coffee, sit down with me, and we can discuss all of the wonderful opportunities you're going to have to shop right here in the Caribbean. My name's Jacob Ellis Churchman. I'm your port shopping ambassador here on board the Westerdam. Grab your port shopping maps and VIP cards right at the back. Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy the rest of your day. You're on vacation. You're here because you deserve it. So get out there and have some fun.